Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle notebook. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need some paper for the pages, a piece of thicker cardstock for the covers, and a compass to draw your perfect circles. Don't forget your scissors, a ruler, and a good adhesive like glue or tape. Think about adding some fun decorative items too, like colorful pens or stickers, to personalize your creation. Now, let's create the pages for your notebook. Take your paper and use a compass to draw several perfect circles. Aim for a consistent size across all your pages. Carefully cut out at least 20 to 30 of these circular pages. Precision is key here, so take your time to ensure each circle is neatly cut. This step forms the foundation of your unique notebook. With your pages ready, it's time for assembly. Take each circular page and punch 2 holes along one edge. Make sure these holes are consistently placed on every page so they align perfectly. Once all pages and covers have holes, stack them neatly. You can then use small binder rings or a decorative ribbon to thread through the holes, securing your notebook together beautifully. Finally, let's add some flair to your circle notebook. Design a captivating cover using your thicker cardstock or a piece of decorative paper. This is where your creativity can truly shine. Embellish your notebook with stickers, drawings, glitter, or anything that expresses your style. Once decorated, your custom-made circle notebook is complete and ready for all your notes, sketches, or creative thoughts. Enjoy your unique creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.